evaluate the integral of x squared over the square root of x cubed plus 2 dx. So we can apply u substitution. We can let u be equal to the expression inside the square root. The x cubed plus 2. Because when we get the derivative of x cubed plus 2, we'll have the term on the numerator x squared dx, right? So getting the derivative of u du, derivative of x cubed plus 2. So derivative of x cubed power rule is 3x squared plus the derivative of 2, 0, or we just have 3x squared dx. So what we just need on the numerator is this term, x squared dx. We have an extra coefficient of 3, which we don't need, so we eliminate by dividing both sides by 3. So therefore, we'll have 1/3 du equal to, canceling out the 3, x squared dx. If we substitute, we'll have the integral of x squared dx, that's equal to 1/3 du, then all over the square root of x cubed plus 2, which is u. So we put the constant 1/3 in front. We'll have 1/3 integral of du over the square root of u. So we transform first the square root of u into fractional exponent. We'll have 1/3 integral of du over square root of u is equal to u to the 1/2. To apply power rule, we apply the negative law of exponent. So we'll have 1/3 integral of 1 over u to the 1/2. It's also equal to u to the negative 1/2 du. So if we apply power rule, integral of u to the n du, it is equal to u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, provided that n is not equal to negative 1. So therefore, we'll have 1/3 integral of u to the negative 1/2. That's equal to u to the negative 1/2 plus 1 over negative 1/2 plus 1. Then put plus c for the constant of integration. So simplifying, we'll have 1/3 u raised to negative 1/2 plus 1, positive 1/2, over negative 1/2 plus 1, positive 1/2 plus c. Let's simplify the coefficient. 1/3 divided by 1/2. So we copy the numerator 1/3, then multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator 1/2, which is 2 over 1. Then times u to the 1/2 plus c. So 1/3 times 2 over 1, that's 2/3 u to the 1/2 plus c. Or in terms of radical form, we'll have 2/3 square root of u plus c. Then the final step is to substitute back the u in terms of x, which is x cubed plus 2. So the final answer is 2/3 square root of u, which is x cubed plus 2 plus c.